Hello everyone, Dan Kid with Jeet Kune Physiology More, and today is day three of basics of resistance training. So today I'm actually going to discuss the difference between strength, hypertrophy, which is basically muscle building, and power movements. Okay, again, like I've already mentioned just briefly on the introduction on Monday, about how each one is going to vary as far as how the movement goes, what kind of weights you use, and things like that. So for actual strength gains themselves, I'm going to get in position and I'm going to show you some leg exercises. Okay, so if you're focusing primarily on strength, then you're going to want to fight the eccentric movement or the negative or the downward movement. Okay, so for instance in a squat, okay, so this is a goblet squat. You hold the weight in front of you and squat down. So if you're focusing more on strength, when you're going down, that's the eccentric or the negative motion. You want to go down slower, so like this. So we're going to do just 3, focusing on strength. Slow, always come back up faster. Breathing come down. See how slow I'm moving going down? That's going to focus primarily on strength gains. Now, if you wanted to be more focused on hypertrophy or muscle building, you would add more weight. So we'll say probably 30, this is 20 pounds. It's not really a whole lot of weight even for me. But let's just say, for instance, we'll add 30 to 50 pounds, depending on your goals, weight, and kind of things like that. So if you're doing that, you have 30 to 50 pounds, you're going to go down a little faster. Basically, the main key point is to get more blood flow moving. Okay, you still want to go up with faster motion. So you go. Still go down kind of slow, but not as slow as you would for the strength. So different strength, hypertrophy, or muscle building. Okay, now we're going to get into the third key component, and that's power. For power movements, basically, the power is a definition of a combination of speed combined with strength. Speed plus strength equals power. Okay, so what's that mean to most people? Well, it really, honestly, some people get it misconceived. They think that power is similar to strength, but it's not. It is actually how fast you can move a given weight. So let me get in position and I'll show you on that. Okay, so a perfect prime or perfect example is going to be a clean and press. A lot of people, or football players and people in general, athletes, do a lot of power cleans. I'm going to show you a power clean and then a clean and press. And this is primarily a power movement. That's why they call it a power clean or a power clean and press. Okay? So get in position here, feet about shoulder, hip width apart, okay? And then when you come up, okay, so a power clean itself is literally you clean it up like this, okay? And then back down, okay? So a clean and press, the only difference is power clean into a press. So what you're gonna do is you come up, go to about a quarter squat, and then press up. Just like that. Okay, so basically when it comes to strength training, you're really going to want to first focus on your actual goals. So are your goals speed, or excuse me, are your goals strength? Are your goals more hypertrophy or muscle building? Or are they more power goals? Also, there's a strength aspect, which you can maximize by doing speed exercises after training, which I've actually, excuse me, mentioned in a week I did on speed training. Give me a second here. Okay, so the key component here is how you're going to move. Once again, for strength, you want to go down slower, still come back up faster. Muscle building, add more weight, go down a little bit faster, not too fast, and boom, back up, okay? You can also do a little bit of both. So if you're adding more weight, you go down a little bit slower, close to the strength aspect or at the strength aspect, and back up and pump out more repetitions, higher volume, so more sets and things like that. It really depends on your goals, your conditioning level, and things like that. I just want to touch base on this. So there's a difference between strength, hypertrophy or muscle building, and power movements when it comes to training. I'll give some more examples throughout the week. So let's get out there, stay motivated. Believe in yourself, believe you can do it, and believe that you deserve it. Let's get out there, let's go.